Okay, I'm going to start with simple probability. Probability of an event occurring is the number of times it occurs over the total number. You know it's between 0 and 1, 0 impossible, 1 certain. A complementary event is the opposite. So, for example, on a die, throwing a 2 and not throwing a 2. And we can write it a number of ways. We can say the probability of an event plus the probability of it not happening has to equal 1. Or we can use the notation is E with the line above it, and you know that the probability of it not happening is 1 minus the probability of it happening, and vice versa. If a raffle had one prize, 40 tickets were sold, Lisa buys 4 and Pete buys 6, what's the probability that Pete wins? Notice how I've set it out. Probability of Pete, 6 on 40, 3 on 20. Pete doesn't win. I've got a line over my Pete. And I could have just said that it was 34 tickets, or I could have said it's 1 minus Pete winning, and I would have got the same answer. Lisa winning, she's got 4 out of 40. And neither Pete nor Lisa winning, Pete not winning and Lisa not winning. And is times or is plus. And we can go from there. Okay, counting technique is when I call it putting things in boxes, and I'll go up to the actual note so I can write on the screen. I do boxes for each one and put in how many of each. So I'll do a couple of examples. I think it's easier with examples. It's also known as the multiplication principle. Okay, car number plates in New South Wales have 3 letters and 2 numbers and a letter. So we have 3 letters, letter, and 2 numbers and a letter. Notice I said and, which tells me I'm timesing them. It says how many, so I don't want a fraction, I want a number. If there's a letter, there's 26 and 26 and 26. I can have 10 numbers, 1 of 10 numbers, or 26. And if I go to my solutions, you can see that I've set it, there's the answer. To win a trifecta in a race, a person has to pick the horses that come first, second and third in the race. How many trifectas are possible? First, second, third. So 12 horses can come first and 11 can come second, because the first horse, you've got to remember, it's past the line, it's sitting and resting, and there's 11 fighting for second, and 10. If I times those numbers together, I get 1320 from. Okay.